Saturday, December 25th, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. We got a lot going on today, don't we? All right, what's next? Pittsburgh torque wrench from Harbor Freight. It's 1/2-inch click type, $19.99. I thought it was a great deal considering I looked at other torque wrenches and they can be pricey. Trust me. I needed this. Well, I thought I should have it because you want to tighten those lug nuts to the way that they should be. And trust me, you don't want to know the alternative. Believe me. So we're going to open up this box, take a look inside. I know this is unnecessary, but I got a little surprised when I opened up those deep sockets. So this is just in case. Even though the case is plastic, I like it already. All right, we got the tabs underneath. Looks like they put a little care into this, I'll tell you that much. All right, open them up. See what we got. Really like the case. Oh yeah, oh, here we go. It's in plastic. Beautiful. Got some directions. I mean, it's just a torque wrench, I understand. Like it already. To the everyday mechanic, this probably isn't your cup of tea. As for me, I'm sure this will last a lifetime for what I need. It's got some weight to it. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Doesn't really look cheap. I'll take it. I could use it. Again, 1/2-inch. We're going to torque those lug nuts the way that they should be. I really like this. Feels good in my hand. Let's look at this. This will tell you exactly the number you need to be at. So I don't have any problem with this so far. Again, I'm just unboxing, taking a look at it, getting a good feel of it. Oh yeah, very nice. Not cheaply made, at least it doesn't feel like that. Back in its case it goes. Is it worth it? Was it worth the price? Only time will tell. I like the Pittsburgh though. Again, got it from Harbor Freight, $19.99. You might like it. Pick it up. Everyday mechanic, I don't know. Somebody like me, go for it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.